wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best toilet bowl cleaners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Drop a Clorox cleaner tablet into your toilet tank for hassle-free sanitation. All you have to do to make these work is flush. They contain bleach to kill bacteria, and each one lasts for up to 6 weeks. You get 8 tablets per order, and they can prevent staining. However, the chlorine can be corrosive. At number 9, Scrubbing Bubbles Power Stain Destroyer doesn't contain bleach, but it's powerful enough to get rid of rust and limescale. The bottle's extended neck lets you apply it directly under the rim of toilets with ease. It doesn't smell of chemicals and is good value for the money, but it sometimes stains bowl. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Brush Kit includes a handle, a stand to hold it, and 4 pads preloaded with cleaner. Immerse the solution in water to activate it, and when you're done, just slide the blue button to release the disposable scrubber. It has a pleasant citrus scent, and the refills are flushable. However, it's not suitable for tough stains. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toilet bowl cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Kaboom Scrub Free is a good choice if you don't want to put in too much ongoing effort. This system automatically cleans your toilet with each flush. You just hook up the tube in the back of your tank and insert the tablet. It's easy to install and lasts for up to 3 months, but the smell is strong at first. Moving up our list to number 6. Lysol Power uses hydrogen chloride to eliminate hard water and other tough stains. It comes in 24-ounce bottles and claims to kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. The gel also has a surprisingly nice scent for such a heavy hitter. It removes pink rings and comes in a pack of 2. However, it requires too much scrubbing for some. Halfway up our list at number 5. This 6-pack of Clorox with bleach is a good deal. The gel sanitizes and leaves behind a fresh aroma. If you don't like to scrub too much, simply coat the bowl with the liquid and flush it away after a few minutes. It reaches under the rim and also works great on showers. It doesn't leave behind any blue rings. At number 4, though its natural method antibacterial cleans thoroughly. It uses citric acid to cut through grime. It's cruelty-free and leaves behind a spearmint fragrance that's not overpowering. It leaves bowls looking bright and is made with non-toxic dyes. It comes in a recycled bottle too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, you can fight rust, hard water stains and limescale effortlessly with Kaboom Ball Blaster. The thick liquid starts out purple and turns green to let you know it's done its job. Wait for it to change colors, then just lightly scrub away. It begins working quickly and can remove stubborn stains. It takes very little effort. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toilet bowl cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Better Life Natural is an environmentally friendly choice that contains no dyes or sulfates. This organic option fights stains and odors, leaving you with sparkling results and no need for harsh chemicals. It ships in a pack of 2. It contains no synthetic fragrances and is not tested on animals. It's safe for septic tanks. And taking the top spot on our list, if your toilet is so badly stained you're thinking of throwing it out, try Zep Commercial Cleaner first. Let this acidic formula sit for at least 5 minutes, then just wipe away lime and rust. It comes in a pack of 3, with each bottle containing 32 ounces. It combats calcium deposits, clings to surfaces, and clears up discoloration. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toilet bowl cleaners, or simply click beneath this video.